I'm Pierre Esperta, tour guide po ng Samal Island po.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you.
So how much are we looking at?
Saan po tayo pupunta, sir? Sa anong nalaman niyo dito sa Samal Island?
We're thinking of riding from here to Aset Kaputian.
Kaputian.
Kami 4 ka oras.
So, okay sir, advice ko sir is kung tourist spot ang punta natin sir, is first is Bat Cave, Montfort Bat Cave. Okay, marami pong mga foot baths makita nyo doon sir.
Is Emma there already?
Overview deck.
It's already inside.
Nandun sa mga 25 km.
It's already inside.
Bilong ito Kaputian.
So, naami ano niyo siya ka oras subong?
Be careful na.
7, 8.
Yeah.
B5.
Bee fight.
Yes. I saw a wasp.
Anong tawag sa sasakyan na to?
Tok-tok.
Tok-tok. Tok-tok.
Sige. Oh, here we go. You guys are good.
Okay, badya. Ano sir, saan tayo mauna sir?
Viewpoint.
Viewpoint.
Malayo na siya.
Yan ang bangka sir, 400 pesos, balikan na po kayo.
O, dili siguro may magbangka na.
Sige.
Walang sa...
May manguhuli yan sir, si helmet.
Oh, dapat naka-helmet sila. Oh, wow. Look at this one here. Oh, there's a viewpoint. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
That's beautiful. Okay, let's see.
Oh, wow.
Costa Azalea. We just stopped by a little bit here to check out the viewpoint.
So, pakyaw ang bangka. Yes, sir. Minimum 6 people or nakapamig.
Sir, ang minimum sir is tapos sir bro, iba na yung price sir. 2 kilometers kasi
Oh,
po
layo
sir
di ay kayo.
is guess ko isang araw sir, yung mga Russian po sir. Punta yan sir.
Daghan, mga pila ka mga resorts na diri sa Sama.
Nandun sa mga 300 plus. Kasama na yung mga bago sir, mga bago.
Bago.
Is that one earlier? So there's about 300 resorts in Samal.
From 30 that we know of to 300 new ones. Kita mo?
Oh, so it's getting busier here now.
Bali downtown ito?
Ito na po ng town ng Samal District. Kasi yung Samal Island sir, 3 district po sir, 3 town. Babak District, Samal District ito, and Kaputian District.
So this is the Samal district.
Yeah, this is
And
Samal.
this one feels a little bit busier here now.
Yeah. So ang ferry is in the Kaputian district.
Gas time.
Bahay na kasi malasakit sa
Si Digong talaga pumunta dito sir.
siya yun no.
Kahit isa, hindi ka na makakita.
Dati-dati may maraming pasagolero but wala na ngayon after President Digong.
Yes po.
Anong pasagolero?
Yung ano sir, yung
Kalaaway.
Palaaway
O
ba?
Palaaway. Uy, ang giro! Ang giro! Dito.
Sir, ano na siya? Yung Freedom Park po ng sa Palestine.
Freedom Park.
Doon kayo sa may View Deck. Ganda doon sir kasi makita yung Davao Bowl at saka yung Phil Farm, yung ano, yung Malipano Island.
Oh, tapos ikuha natin, picture ka
Yes,
dito sa
thank you
taas.
po.
Nice view.
Wala po magamit sir.
Solid view.
For extension sir.
Villa Plata. Oh, it's just on the street.
Ito naman Samal sir. Sir, mga malaking mga bahay doon sir.
Season dito is September.
Basta punta kayo dito sa September kasi fruit season po. Mura lang yung mga fruits like durian, lansones, rambutan.
Mangosteen?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Yung hinahanap ko, mangosteen. Hindi
Yes.
daw, hindi season ng mangosteen ngayon. So September.
September.
Okay,
sir.
remember
This
that,
is the
guys.
season, sir. September.
Ano ng elementary school.
Taas na tano.
Opo.
Mas pataas pa.
Ngayon, pababa na tayo.
Tara,
Oh.
pababa na.
Pababa na tayo. Cantate Digong to, sir.
Yan, nice road. So ano to, Kaputian?
Yes, sir.
Manang Earth.
Yeah.
We need to put you more videos.
Hey.
On the last one. Is there washroom here?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. I need to go. Oh, la la.
Ron and Emma. How'd you like it, guys?
Love it. Beautiful.
Emma, how'd you like it? Are those bangka? Just look at the colors. So what island is that? The one
De La Paz Island.
De La Paz?
De La Paz yung dito.
How do we get there?
Yeah, you have to ride a boat.
Is that private or
It's a private.
private island? Resort?
Yeah.
Trimaran. The Trimaran, baka na siyang bagong bangka, oh.
We're at Samal and that's De La Paz Island. And Heidi, Jan, and Ronan. And Richard is here too.
No, I think you touched yourself. Yeah.
Behind them is the De La Paz Island and Malipano.
Yes, yes.
We just came from this viewpoint here, and then we're heading to.
Salamat!
Where are we heading to? Kaputian now?
Kaputian.
Kaputian Beach.
Kaputian, sir. We have entrance, sir. 50 pesos each, sir. Kaputian. Public Kaputian Beach Resort.